A professor at the Northeastern Hill University, Nehu Shillong, Dr. Aluk Singh, has accused the president of the Nehu Students' Union, Sandy Sotun, along with 5 other individuals, of assaulting and threatening him during an incident on the evening of April 24, 2025. In his complaint filed at the Maulai Maukanro Police Outpost, Dr. Aluk Singh reported that at approximately 4:45 in the evening, Sotun and the others forcibly entered his office in the Hindi department and confined him inside. He claimed that they physically assaulted him and threatened to kill him by choking him. Dr. Singh further stated that as a result of the assault, he sustained injuries to his neck, hands and legs. He expressed his shock and distress, mentioning that he felt unsafe and uncomfortable on the campus as a result of the incident. The professor has urged upon the police to take immediate legal action against those involved, emphasizing the need for both his personal safety and the protection of the university's reputation.
In my chamber, in some incident that Nehu Su president and 5 members coming in my chamber and closed my door. And I say what happened? So he says no, not anything. Please sit down and don't speak anything. And then 2 person that take hold my hand and then beat me. And that continuously that beating me, and in my hand, in my leg, in my head is that beating me. And many times I say, what happened? Please tell me what happened. Don't speak anything. You doing here politics. So I say I am feeling very bad because I am not doing anything wrong work, and then some student came and beat me. This is good, yeah, bad? Please decide, all people. Because I am mentally and healthily and physically, I am very feeling bad. I am not properly speak because as a teacher, I am not that imagine this type incident in my life. So please, I asked please provide security because I am feeling not good. As a teacher, I am not that mentally feeling well. So I say please for me give justice, because as a teacher, anyone come in the Nehu campus and beat the teacher, this is not good. So all people, I say I am wrong, please say no. I am wrong, then I listen all things. But no any reason you come the office and then beat me. This is not good for me. And last I say please give the justice, because as a teacher I am not feeling good. The teacher is suffering problem, and then someone coming beating.
Tip siya ki administration baga dan kajingja akaba iway I nong hikay siya assault physically te katkum kajing ong jong tao nong hikay uong ba day ki khana ringim tip satya ba day manu te hakane kapot ki utu khana u professor nong hikay jong ta Hindi department ula file ya ka FIR siya ka Maukanro outpost, but ki pulit ki dang ya wat ya ka daw balay ka jakun para jinja ha ka campus jong university mangi nakaliang ka Nehu but ka administration ngim kwa ba kum kini jinja kanja campus jong ka university ka jaka kuliah putih de ngikwa ka baginong hikay but kumjo ki khana kindan ha ka safety ka security but ni kermen bakum kini ki jingja kin numja shu ha kani university ha apa campus of the university but ke university ru menta kadang form ya committee ban pet ban wat ke ka dau ka baja ku ta jingja ke ngin da form ya committee kan sa ka committee kan sa wat ka dau but menta ngimla ban kamen manu bakla ne man ka jingja manu ba le manu ba khamle ngimla ban ong tikna ya ki nong le mo kat kumba ong tai nong kai de menta aga ni ka po issue kwa ban ong ni phi ki pai ba ka nehu ka de ka jaka ban pule but ka university ka condemn ya kum kita ki jingle ne jingle show ha ka ba physical altercation ka kadan ha ka university ngim ko bakan dan pun gini ki jingja tingi kermen maka pulit kan kan yo ya ka solution ya kan yo man wat ya ka daw ka jingja jang ni dan apa dan kini ki ahmad ka committee kan sa form da ka da vice chancellor in charge in sa form ya ka committee but in sa bu members ha at ki ka committee kada kin sadan pinong hikai ki members na ki association do ki pag sawat ka daw balay ba ka ja ko ta ka ja kisu do ngim la ban ong tikna mano badan ti mano bamdan ti te ngila ban ong tang ya kata hi ba ngim dan ha kata ka por ha to ka jaka te tang tu ki witness ki badan hang to ki la ban ong ngim dan ni shu yo snow na ini nong hikai ba dan na ki ba jrong ti ye te kani kin yawan bulet kade ka kam so bulet ban wat ha ba ka inquiry committee ka man sa form ka university administration